welcome to General Assembly 2025. We're going to find some folks to talk to this morning, talk about our ACC values and why we're excited about General Assembly. All right, here we go. Hi, RB. How's it going? Happy General Assembly. We're so glad to see you here in person, and go Riverbats. So this morning we're here for General Assembly. It's our all-employee event at ACC held every year, and we want to know, what are you most excited about for today?
Ooh, I like the keynote. I'm excited for keynote. Getting everybody together at the beginning of the morning when we got a lot of energy still. So just excited to see my colleagues, people around the college that I haven't seen in a long time. So, yeah.
All right. You heard it here first, folks. I have a quick question for you. If you could describe the energy in the room right now in one word, what would it be? Electric. Electric. You heard it from ACC Libraries. It is electric in here.
Good morning, ACC. I am here with Nissan, and I just have one question for you this morning. What is your favorite ACC value and why? And are you feeling it this morning?
Absolutely, great question. My favorite value is joy, because that's all I felt today. What a joy it is to be with all of my colleagues, but better, what a joy in what we do, because we are changing lives.
I want to say compassion, because I'm a compassionate person, but I also want to say yes because I hate no.
At the top of the list for me is joy. I think if you have a joyful spirit, everything is reflected in that. So joy.
Joy. It is the epitome of student life, and we love to infuse joy in everything that we do. Our students bring us joy, and we bring joy back to them.
Leading with love. Yay.